Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make heart churros. Let's begin by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Don't forget 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and plenty of vegetable oil for frying. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create our delicious churro dough. First, in a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Immediately remove it from the heat, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and stir vigorously until a smooth ball of dough forms. Finally, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until the dough is perfectly smooth and shiny. With our dough ready, it's time for the fun part, shaping and frying. Carefully transfer the warm dough into a piping bag equipped with a large star tip. Heat your vegetable oil to approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently pipe your heart shapes directly into the hot oil. Fry each beautiful churro for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they achieve a gorgeous golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. Be careful with the hot oil. Once your heart churros are perfectly fried, it's time to give them their irresistible coating. While they are still warm, immediately toss them in a delightful cinnamon sugar mixture. To prepare this, simply combine 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Serve your freshly made, warm heart churros with your favorite dipping sauces, such as rich chocolate sauce or creamy dulce de leche. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.